First of all, welcome to Pakistan, welcome to Gilgit-Baltistan, then welcome to Fairy Meadows, the land of mountain, the land of beauty.
Very welcoming and very friendly and very nice hospitality. We felt, very welcome, and everyone's been so kind to us, so we've just loved our time here.
Yeah, the whole time in Pakistan has been fantastic. Felt completely safe the whole time. Everyone's been super welcoming. So yesterday we've been to Nanga Parbat base camp, which is a beautiful walk and a great view of the mountains. So yeah, we've had a great time here in Gilgit-Baltistan. Yes.
बिल्कुल इस वक्त मैं मौजूद हूँ पाकिस्तान का सियाती मुकाम फेरी मेडोज़ में, जो कि तकरीबन सतह समंदर से 10,800 फुट की बुलंदी पर मौजूद हैं। और आज पाकिस्तान का आज़ादी का दिन है, 14 अगस्त से हैं, और इसी पर यहाँ पे मुल्की सियाहों के साथ गैर मुल्की सियाहों का भी काफ़ी रश हमें देखने को मिल रहा है। इस वक्त मेरे साथ कुछ क्लाइंट्स मौजूद हैं जिनका ताल्लुक़ के ऑस्ट्रेलिया से हैं और ये यहाँ पे फेरी मेडोज़ आए हुए हैं। इनसे बात कर लेते हैं कि इनका यहाँ पे कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा, ओवरऑल ये गिलगित बल्तिस्तान के हवाले से, पाकिस्तान के हवाले से क्या पैगाम मैसेज देते हैं। Hello brother, how are you?
I'm very well. Thanks for having me here.
First of all, welcome to Pakistan, welcome to Gilgit-Baltistan, then welcome to Fairy Meadows, the land of mountain, the land of beauty. So can you tell me where are you come from?
We're both from Australia.
Australia.
So yes, yep.
So you are first time visiting in Pakistan?
Yes, yep. We've been here for just over 2 weeks now.
So how was your trip? How was your experience in Fairy Meadow? Overall in Pakistan, overall in Gilgit-Baltistan?
Yeah, the whole time in Pakistan has been fantastic. Felt completely safe the whole time. Everyone's been super welcoming. And yeah, so we've had 3 days now at Fairy Meadows. Great facilities here. We really weren't expecting it so far up in the mountains. And yeah,
So today is our country Pakistan Independence Day. We are asking about you. Can you tell me the people of Fairy Meadows?
Very welcoming and very friendly and very nice hospitality. We felt, very welcome, and everyone's been so kind to us, so we've just loved our time here.
So tell me about something special, our Pakistan special, our Gilgit-Baltistan.
Where do I start? Just the scenery has been fantastic. The mountains, everywhere you look, there's just fantastic views everywhere. The food is amazing. We love the food here. And like I said, just the culture. We've seen some traditional dancing last night, which was amazing. We love to see it. There's just so much about it that we've loved.
Exactly. So what is your message for tourists who's like beauty, who's like glaciers, who's like mountain?
Come to Pakistan. Come to Pakistan. Yeah.
And enjoy.
Yes, absolutely. Come here. You won't regret it. It's fantastic.
Okay. Nice to see you. Pakistan.
Pakistan.
Pakistan Zindabad.
Zindabad.
Pakistan.
Zindabad.